Why are you? Will you not get enough of big up at the Madame Malacate? I like to someone in Abla. How did you someone in Abla? Oh, I take a few. I take it. I take it. No, no. How the fuck is it? I don't want you, my baby. You're gonna keep on up. Never took it. I don't know. Put your number out here and then the chain.
Not with the love that we got.
I'm not going to go there. I don't know actually who was at Young Johnny.
I got him so bad. I didn't know about
You got a Miami in here. I probably didn't have she didn't know. I can't do that. I don't know about it. You know, I said, you need someone. I'm fine, James. I said,